Hello, everybody. Just want to check in here and show you that chapters 8 and 9 are now available, and the information on exam 2, okay, which is April 9th, or at least due April 9th. So here's chapter 7. You already got introduced to that. Here's chapters 8 and 9, applications of efficiency. That's due on April 6th. Might as well get going on it now. Here we are, a few lectures. Some of this we talked about in class. Here's some short little lectures, articles. How selling my truck made the world a better place. Oh, yeah, it did. So, interesting article here. Anyway, one video. Again, one video. Boy, slow. Dead weight loss at Christmas. You might enjoy that one. Economists are always ruining everything, right? Even Christmas. Sometimes a little dead weight loss might be a good thing, actually, in that case. Um, okay, so there you got that, and some problems that I've worked here, here, and here. So this again involves chapters 8 and 9. Chapter 8 is more on taxes. Chapter 9 is international trade and tariffs, and arguments against international trade, and so on. It kind of picks up where chapter 3 left off with when we talked about trade in general. Okay, that's it. Ready to go.